Hi guys, welcome back to Tweet Tweet's Kitchen. By Papa Man, I was asked to make a friend some peanut brittle for the holidays. Very quick, very simple, but today I'm doing it with a twist. I'm doing it within the microwave. As you can see, I have an 8-quart mixing bowl, which I've already added 1 cup sugar, 2 cups sugar, and I'm just kind of mixing that up with the following ingredients that will be added and linked down below. I will be having 3 cups of salted peanuts, your choice, raw, salted peanuts, but 3 cups. Along with, I have here, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Of course, my favorite is going to be 1/4 of the butter extract, which is already mixed here. I'm going to add a cup of the Karo syrup. I'm going to then spray my pan with the PAM spray. I'm going to add, of course, the liquid sugar, which I'm going to add now. I kind of sprayed the pan, the 1 cup, with PAM to make it easier to come out. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. A little liquidy there. And I'm going to stir just a little. We're going to then place this in the microwave for about 8 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add my salt. My 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going ahead to mix this, guys. Nobody wants to see all the stirring. I'm going to mix that up real good. And while that's doing that, I'm going to add 1/3 cups of water, just a little, 1/3 cup of water. Then I'm going to stir. I'm recording. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I don't want to re-edit this. But I'm going to mix this all up in the pot, and I'm going to add it in the microwave for about 8 minutes. Here we go in the microwave for 8 minutes, guys. Let's set this up here. Make sure you turn your handle, guys, the way that you can grab it out, because this is going to be very, very hot. Now, as I say, guys, be very, very careful. This is very heavy when you take it out the microwave, and it's very, very hot. So now we're going to add the vanilla extract, as you can see here, and the butter. You hear it sizzle? I can get this butter out of here with nothing. Add in the butter, and we're going to stir. You hear that butter? Stir, stir. It's very hot, guys. Be very careful, because we're going to then add it back in the microwave for another, let's say 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. No more, no less. You're going to have some stuff that stick. That's fine. Let's put it back in our microwave for another 2 minutes. It's very heavy, very hot. Do be careful, please. And as you can see, I got my microwave on 1 minute 59. Just going to hit start and let that begin. Okay, I've spreaded the peanut brittle in a well-greased pan. You can make it as thin as you like or as thick as you like. I'm going to make one correction. That is an 8-cup measuring bowl. I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes or until hardened. When I finish, I'm going to add it to this can for cookies, but I couldn't find a griddle pan. Once again, it's very hot coming out. The ingredients or steps are in the link below. Now that the brittle has cooled, it's time to break it up into pieces. So what I'm going to do, I've already lifted. As you can see, it's very hard, very hard. And I'm going to try to break it with this mallet here. You can see how hard it is, guys. It's very hard. And as you can see here, it's breaking up into pieces. So, break it up, break it up, break it down. It smells very good. And as you know, I was going to, let me use the mallet here. Okay. It's going everywhere. I don't like that. So, I'm going to just take pieces here and add it to this plate over here before transferring it to my friend's holiday can. As you can see, big pieces, guys. I want it to look, excuse the noise, but you get the picture. I'm breaking it up. As you can see, it looks amazing. It's very thick. Now I see why people make thin pieces. But the first time I did this, it wasn't this thick. I don't know, because I added more peanuts or peanut brittle. But this makes a pretty good amount of peanut brittle. It tastes great. As you can see here, that's the peanut brittle afterwards. But as I continue to break that a piece, thank you so much for visiting. Thank you so much if you comment. I appreciate you. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Peace and understanding. I'll see you tomorrow or the day after that. Mwah. Bye-bye.